Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all have subscribed my channel, those who have seen my video. Today I am going to talk about the probability chapter of class 9. This is the last chapter and also an important chapter. Term 2 is coming near. So I will discuss about some of the main points and main questions. So students, today we will discuss about the probability chapter. First of all, what is probability? Probability is a concept which numerically measures the degree of certainty of occurrence of the event. It is a concept which numerically measures. That means certain numbers are there. And event. Event means what? In the later part, I will discuss about what is event. And probability is of two types. First of all is empirical or experimental, theoretical or numerical. This I will discuss by giving some of the examples. So, first of all, take out your books. Today, I will discuss from the book. In the example part, that is example 1, what is given? You can see in this one probability chapter of class 9. A coin is tossed 1000 times. That means this is total number of occurrence. How many? Or we can say it trial. 1000. Then in the question it is given add. How many times? And tell how many times it is given. And how many times it is given? 455. And tail is given 545. That means total is how much? 1000. We don't have to write this part. 1000. Total number of trials, that means or occurrence, we can write it as 1000. Then head is 455. Then what is the probability of head? What will be the formula? What will be the formula? Number of what? Times head came out. Simply. Number of times head came out, or we can say it what? We can say it, we get head. Or this is the next what? Total number of trial. Total number of trial, or we can say it what? Total experiment. This is the total number of trial, or we can say it total experiment it has occurred. Then what will be the answer of this? Total 1000. Had its occurrence how many times? 455. In the same case, probability of tail. How many times? 545. Then this will be 1000. Okay? This will be the answer. In example 2, see the chapter. In example 2, what is given? Two coins are tossed simultaneously 500 times. 500 times 2 coins are tossed. That means 2 head. 2 head. 105 times it has occurred. Here it is given total number of trial. In example 2, it is given how much? 500. Total number of trial it is given how much? 500. Then 2 head it is given how much? 105 times. Okay. Then 1 head. 1 head 275 times. Then no head. No head is given how many times? Student, 120 times. Then what is the question it is given? Find the probability of occurrence of each of this event. Find the probability of occurrence of each of this event. Suppose this one is E1, this one is E2, this one is E3. Okay, I am writing like this. Therefore, probability of E1, or you can write probability of occurring 2 head. You can write 105. Total is how much? 500. Probability of occurring 1 head 275. This one is 500. Probability of what? No head 120. This one is 500. Is it okay? Clear? This will be the answer. Now going to the example 3. If you have any question regarding this all, you can say in the comment part. You can also ask. So example 3, what is given? A die is thrown 1000 times. The number of frequencies are given. The outcomes. In the die, what are the numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Total number of trial 1000. Total number of trial is given 1000. Here what? Number of times 1 occurred, or you can say it E1. How many times? 179 it is given. In the same case 2, E2, E3, 4, E4, 5, E5, then 6, E6. 179 is given, then 150, 157, 150, 157, then 149, 175, 145, 175, 190. This all total, it comes to 1000. This all total comes to 1000. Suppose, what will be the answer? Probability of E1, 179 by 1000. Like this, we have to do all. Probability of occurrence of E2, 150 by 1000. Okay, is it clear? Find the probability of getting each outcome. Suppose here it is given each outcome you have to find. but in the exam it is given to find a particular number. Suppose that particular number may be 4, 5 or 6. Find the probability of occurrence of getting 5. Then you have to do this only. Here I am doing find the probability of occurring what? 1. Then the answer will be this one only. Understood, everyone? Example 4. Example 4, it is given on one page of a telephone directory there were 200 telephone numbers. 200 telephone numbers. The frequency distribution of the unit place digit, for example, in a number, this is given in a table. These are the frequencies. Digit, the number of times it has frequency means what? Digit you all have understood. Suppose 0, 1, 2. Frequency is means number of times. 0 occurrence is 22, 1 26, 2 22 is given, 3 22, 4 20, 5 10, 6 14, 7 28, 8 16, 9 20 is given. Then without looking at the page, the pencil is placed on top of the number. The number is chosen as random. What is the probability of the digit? It is, if its unit place is 6. See here. It is particular number is given. Unit place 6 is given. From 0 to 9 it is given. But a particular number that is 6 is given. Then what will be the answer? 6 number frequency is given 14. That means 14 by how many times? Total number of trials, how many given? 200. Understood or not? 14 by 200 answer will be. Now let's go to the exercise part. Exercise 15.1. In the first question it is given what? In a cricket match, a batsman hit a boundary 6 times out of 30. 6 times out of 30. Now total number of trials will be 30 and number of balls hit a boundary will be what? 6. Find out, here it is given, find the probability that did not hit a boundary. That means total number, the first question is given what? Total number of trials. Total number of trials will be 30. Number of balls hit a boundary will be 6. Number of balls did not hit a boundary will be how many? 30 minus 6 will be how much? 24. Here I am giving a hit as E1 and E2. That means in the question what is given? Student, read the question nicely. Here it is given, find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. In the exam, it may be given, find the probability that she hit a boundary may be given. So, read the question nicely. Here, PE2, 24 by 30. That means we can convert this into simplest term. Simplest term will be how much? How much? That means 0.8. See here. 0.8. This will be the answer. Here I am writing it down. But in the exam you don't have to write. 6 by 30. Here it is given 6 by 30. 6 by 30 will be how much? How much? 6, 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means what? How much? 0.2. one thing, student, you all have to remember, suppose I am finding it here E1 in E2, always be here E1 plus E2, always be 1. That means here see 0.8 plus 0.2, how much? 1. The answer will be 1. Okay. If you want, you have to verify E1 plus E2. Then the answer will be this one. Understood? Now let's go to the next question. Next question is total number of families. It is given 1500. That means total number of trials. Here will be 1500. In the question it is given with 2 girls families 475, 1 girl 814 and no girl 211. Then the first one is 2 girls. 2 girls it is given. Suppose here it is given 475, it is given 475. Then what will be the answer? Therefore probability of 475 by 1500 answer will be. Same, continue. 1 girl it is given 814. Here will be E2. Then probability of E2 is, it will be 814 by 1500. Then probability of E3, and means it will be how much? 211 by 1500. This is question number 3 answer. 1, 2, 3 answer. In a down one question is also there. Also check whether the sum of the probabilities is 1. 475 plus here to verify E1 plus E2 plus PE3 is equal to 1. See here 475 plus 814 plus 211. How much? 1500. 1500 by 11. Sorry, 1500 by 1500. How much? 1500 by 1500. It will be here 1. It is verified. Understood? We have to find out the LCM. 475 by 1500 plus 814 by 1500 plus 211 by 1500. That means the LCM will be 1500. In the above, numerator will be 1500. 1500 by 1500 will be 1. Understood? Everyone? See, in question number 3, it is given 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times. 3 head, 2 heads, 1 head it is given, no head. Here it is given, if the 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, again compute the probability of 2 heads. 2 head it is given how much? 72. You have to write that one only. It will be 72 by 200. I think students are taking it lightly. This is easy chapter. This is just the beginning part. That's why it is looking easy. Student, term 2 exam is coming near. So mainly in the next video, I will discuss the question, the objective question. Whatever the question will come, I will discuss that part from the probability chapter. So keep looking my videos. You have to subscribe and like my video. So be there. Any question you can write in the comment box. I will try to answer that one in the next video. If you have any problem regarding the probability chapter, you can write the question, any confusion. So I will discuss so that I can discuss in the next video. So be there.